Hello everyone, my name is SenseiSuplex and I am your D&D Sensei. I am a professional dungeon master looking to bring your games to that of the next level. We give out actionable tips on Twitch and that of YouTube. But also I'm the lead of a grand universe known as Project Aurora. A universe featuring several dozen dungeon masters as well as campaigns. All the players' actions as well as your actions on Twitch and Discord impact the entire universe in real time. From players learning forbidden magics for the entire world to deal with, to even that of entire armies being led full of actual players against an unbelievable threat. Everyone's actions, all their consequences, matter and impact the universe. However, we do not stop there. The community gets heavily involved in that of the world building to get their own ideas and creative applications implemented into the universe and all of its lore. And at times, they even get to play out said history that they created, made by chat in many one-shots or adventures, and campaigns all ran by me or any of the other dungeon masters in the project. With 3 years of collaborative world building, 72 characters, and 800 plus supporters, I would like to welcome you all to the Auroraverse. And with that, as I said, everyone leaves their mark, but the question is, how will you?